All right, let's look at a second example of panning and zooming. We're going to look at photo number 2. For photo 2, every picture is going to look completely different. Yours will look like different than Jose's. It really depends on what you want, the effect that you want for your picture. For this one, because Jose's picture is over here to the right, I'm thinking maybe I want to do a zoom and pan starting from the left and going to the right. This is just an effect that I think will look great. You can do however you want for this clip. I'm just going to go ahead and show you a new technique here, or a different approach. Rather than zooming in on him, we're going to go from left to right. Let's start again by going over here to our playhead at the top, and we're going to move this to the beginning. Now, if I want, because we have a lot of white space over here and over here to the left, I want to go ahead and maybe zoom in first and maybe have this position right over here. Maybe want to move this one a little bit down here. Maybe zoom in a little bit. All right, and then here's how I want it to finish. Right over here, I would like to finish the video just about here. So I'm going to start from right over here. All right, so now that I know how I want to start and how I want to finish, this is where we're going to turn on the scale. But we're not going to move this, we're not going to zoom in. We're just going to leave it at the number that it has. It's the one over here in position that when we turn this one on, we're going to move simply from left to right. So I'm going to move my playhead all the way to about the end over here. And over here, I'm going to move this going over all the way to about right here. I want to marry and fish. And then I let go. So this is the final one over here from beginning to end. It recorded over here at the very end with my marker. Now, let's see what it looks like when I push the playhead to the beginning. I push play. Perfect. So let's start from the beginning over here. And that is zooming and panning. So we zoomed in closer, and we are panning from left to right. I would like you to do the same thing for your other pictures as well. Looks like this one has a repeat, so we're going to have to delete the number 4. This picture you can do from right to left if you like. So let's do one example of that. Move the playhead over here to the beginning for photo number 3. Let's first zoom in a little bit, about right over here. Let's scale it a little bit like this. And then let's start from the beginning, from right over here, right over here. Going to turn on our scale. and then turn on position. We're going to move the playhead over to the end. And then we're going to move over from right to left. So this time we're going to move all the way here to the edge here. There we go. So I'm going to move the scale back to the beginning and push play. There we have it. So let's start again from the beginning, see what it looks like. So you can do that style if you like. You can do zoom and scale. You can do zoom and pan, however it is that you want to do your style. But I want you to do zoom and panning to all your 6 clips in my life. When you are finished, go ahead and go to File and make sure to save your work. Click Save. You can close off your project and go ahead and work on the project for my day and do zoom and pan for that one too. And that's it.